Good morning students, welcome back to today's class where we are going to see that accountancy chapter 5 accounting ratio. This is video number 13 and in the last class we had seen about profitability ratio. In that we already covered that gross profit ratio, also some part of that operating ratio and operating profit ratio had also we discussed it, and now we are going to see that directly to one of its illustration. So question is this: given the following information, some informations are given. Revenue from operations 3,40,000. Cost of revenue from operation 1,20,000. Selling expense 80,000. Administrative expense 40,000. Calculate gross profit ratio and operating ratio. So gross profit ratio we already learned that that we are getting that the gross profit. After that we apply that is in the formula upon revenue from operation into 100. That is our gross profit ratio. Next is that we need to find out that operating ratio. For operating ratio also we have seen that the formula operation upon revenue from operation into 100. So by using this formula we can find out those things. First, gross profit we need to find out from that given thing. We need to find out that gross profit ratio. So we need to first find out that what is gross profit. So you understand that what is gross profit. Here gross profit means we already had seen that what is given in that trading and profit and loss account is trading account. Clear now? Its result we call as that gross. That means gross profit or gross loss. So in that trading and profit and loss account, in trading account, what are the items come? You know that two sides are this, and in the debit side we write that expenses and purchase, opening shop, those all things. All the direct expenses, and in the other side we write that the closing stock and income, all the direct income. That direct income, if it is most cases that direct income is at the sales, then how much is that amount we, or this is also we can say that revenue from operation. That is also we call as the revenue from operation. You understand now? What is our main business, from that how much amount is coming, that we call as the revenue from operation. So next is that cost of operation. Cost of operation means for that in order to get this revenue, that is sales amount, we will not get simply we have, if we are doing some magic, you know that creating something in the air. It is not possible here. For the selling purpose, in the shop you can see that many things are there. That the shopkeeper will come early in the morning and he is doing some magic, and the things are coming up, and the rice he will keep in front of him, and then he will rice his one, fill this with the rice. Is it like it? No. He has to purchase that rice and selling it is out of more price. Or if in a production unit they are bringing some raw material, out of that raw material is converting into finished products and selling them. So some purchase is there or some other expenses are there. Clear now? So that expenses we call as a cost of revenue from operation. One is that revenue from operation, another is that in order to earn that revenue, how much amount we spend. This is direct thing. You understand that this is direct thing. So here all the items are not given, but directly it is given that revenue from operation is given 3,40,000 and cost of revenue is given 1,20,000. So we reduce the cost 3,40,000 minus
1,20,000.
how much is that amount?
2,20,000.
We got as a gross profit. Clear now? Then revenue from operation is already given, so directly we can find out that gross profit. So here we got as a gross profit, right? Now this is we are showing in the percentage, that is why we use here multiplied with the 100. Okay, in order to convert it to percentage. So here gross profit, that means compared to that revenue from operation, how much gross profit we got, not net profit. Okay, gross profit means our revenues 64.71% we got as the gross profit. Clear now? Next is that we need to find out that operating cost, and here already we have seen that what is operating cost. So from cost of revenue from operation, cost of revenue, selling expenses, that means all the indirect expenses we need to reduce. Whatever is at the one cost is already here given. Yeah, this cost now. So we already got that one expenses. This is 1,20,000. This is what cost of operation, means direct expenses. With this, in order to find out that operating expense, we need to find out that indirect expenses also. You understand now? First we had seen that direct expenses, and we find that the ratio with the gross profit. Now we know that the firms or business most important income is that revenue from operation. From most of its expenses are also reducing from this revenue from operation. Indirect incomes are very less, maybe very normal, that we cannot consider. Got it now? Indirect incomes are very less, or we cannot consider that is in that sometime indirect incomes are sometime arise. That is not sure. So once we said that we reduce direct expenses from that revenue from operation. Now we are going to see that operating expense. Operating expense means in this direct expenses are there and indirect expenses are also adding. That means in profit and loss account, debit side profit and loss account, not trading account. Okay, trading account, debit side we already taken, then we got this amount, or that we got as a cost of operation. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next is that this debit side complete we are taking. That profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account, trading account, debit side we are taking, and next profit and loss, debit side item are also taken. Clear no?
Yes, sir.
So So then we get what expenses? Operating cost. That means for other operation, that means selling, distribution related to any expenses or indirect expense, that expenses are also we are adding, then we get that operating cost. That how much amount is there? One amount is already given, and direct expenses are given here. Cost of revenue is already given, 1,20,000. Then selling expense 80,000. Only one is there, administration expense 80,000. So you have to see that in question what are the expenses are given, direct expenses are given. Next year, how much amount we got? 40,000. Then anything you want to find out? Operating cost ratio. So now we can directly apply this to equation of 2,40,000 upon 3,40,000. 70.55. So now we can find out the operating ratio. Clear now? And to find out operating profit ratio, very simple method. We got this all from here, 100 minus 70.5. Then we get that operating profit ratio. Clear now? Very simple only, but the thing is that you need to understand that what is gross profit, what is revenue from operation, what is cost of revenue, what is operating cost.